Hi guys, and welcome to the mini patio garden here at the Gibraltar Heritage Trust. I'm volunteering here, taking care of the little garden here and the second little patio garden that we have, going through and making sure that the plants are thriving in this Mediterranean weather. We're still in winter, but the temperatures are slowly increasing. Let me show you what I did at the garden today. The first thing on my list was to feed the little goldfish. They're slowly getting used to me, but I think it's just the food. Although we've had a lot of rain here in Gibraltar, a few of the plants still needed a little bit of water. And as my best friend Lisa would say, it's for the birds, but in this case, some of this water is for the fishes. All of the plants here on the patio garden are really thriving, and they look absolutely beautiful. Today was my first day going up on the ladder and checking out the potted plants that are hanging up on the wall. Love the little moss that's growing inside of these plants. Look how big and long this one is. It's amazing. Getting up to the top and checking out all these little potted plants that are hanging and growing down is really, really cool. And next, I did a little bit of trimming on some of these palm trees. Some of the dead leaves had to come off. And here is the second patio garden. Did a little bit of cleanup out here, a little bit of sweeping, and checked on the plants which are thriving out here. We have to figure out something to do with this big guy because he is growing a branch into the ground and we need to figure out how to hang that up. You can see that right here. The leaves are touching the ground. Look how big these leaves are. They're so huge and just beautiful. And this is the mess that they make, so I cleaned that up. Hey, thank you so much for joining. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comments section below. Make sure to follow along this summer as I help take care of this patio garden here at Gibraltar Heritage Trust. See you soon.